drill set from Donau Elektronik that is made for high precision and miniature works. The 45-watt mini drill is equipped with miniature ball bearings for smooth and precise operation and 3 front LEDs for additional lighting on the drilling point. The set includes a 12-volt transformer, three HSS drills, 3 collets, 3 silicon carbide grindstones, 3 cutting wheels, 3 cutters, and 1 stainless steel brush. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.